Hello guys, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to create a React application and the folder structure of the application which got created in our mission. So this is the command for creating the React application. So we are copying this and so here in the F drive I am going to create a new folder called as React projects, and I'm opening the command prompt from this. So I'm going to copy this and paste here. So you can give your own name. React project. So it will take some time to create the project. So let's wait until it's get created. If you see here, our project got successfully created. Now we are going to Visual Studio Code. So if you are using any other editor, then I strongly suggest you to use this Visual Studio Code, because we will be having IntelliJ support and everything here. We will be having many options like extensions which will be helpful for most of our application code when we are writing. So here we are going to open the project. This is the project what we have created. So if you open the project, you will be having different types of folders and different files. So these all are called as the configuration files. This git ignore consists of all the things which will be ignored whenever we check in our code into the git. And package.log.json, we can ignore this. It consists of all the logs related to packages. And this is the main file package.json, which will consist of all the dependencies of our project. So it consists of React and React DOM dependency and React scripts project, the package, etc. So it consists of scripts as well. So this is used to start the project, and this will be called whenever we build the project once the development is done. So these are all related to the dependencies. So next one is node modules. So whenever we install any package, it gets added to this package.json, and that particular package got installed into this node modules folder. So if you take an example, if you install any Google authentication plugin or package, then that particular package name will gets here, and that particular package gets installed in this node modules folder. So next thing is public folder, which consists of favicon and index.html page, where you can consist of all the metadata and link and all that. So there will be only one index.html file for this entire project. So if you want to add the scripts, then you can add here related to animations or material UI, then you can add here. And next thing is manifest.json, which consists of all the metadata related to our project. And this is the main folder, that is source folder src, which consists of the one and only component called as app.js. So the next one is index.js, This consists of the root of our application, and we will import this app.js from the app.js file to here. So this is the, what you can say, this is the entry point of our application. So whenever you open our application in the browser, these particular things get executed first. So you can place your own component here by importing that. And the next thing is app.js. This is the main component. Generally we will use this component and we will import the child components into all this app.js, and this is the CSS file for this. So this is all about the project structure or folder structure, we can say, of the React project what we have created. So this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on React.